Today's video is a What Sold on eBay BOLO edition. If you're new to the reselling community, BOLO stands for Be on the Lookout For. This is the first item in a series of videos on my Top 100 BOLO playlist, so stay tuned. If you're new here, my name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I have over 20 years reselling experience, and I would love to share the knowledge that I have gained throughout the years to assist you with your reselling journey. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. What is a BOLO? A BOLO is a used, discontinued, or vintage item that can be purchased at a low price and sold for a higher price, making profit online. A BOLO is not a rare item. Other sellers are finding the item, and it has recently completed solds on eBay. The item to be on the lookout for to sell on eBay for over $100 are Monster High dolls and their accessories. I purchased 2 different sets at Goodwill for $10 a set. Each bag had 15 dolls with accessories. All of them were different dolls. I listed both sets on eBay, and within 2 weeks, one of the sets sold, and within a month, the other set sold. This is my completed listing on eBay. The buyer paid $184 plus $14 shipping on the first set of 15 dolls that sold within 2 weeks. The second set to sell sold for $200 plus $15 shipping. The set was missing some of the accessories, a shoe was missing, and one of the dolls was topless. I just noted that in my listing, and the buyer purchased it anyway. In order to price my Monster High doll lot, I searched for completed listings for Monster High doll lot. I scrolled down and on the left-hand side selected the box for used and then sold because I wanted to see what sold. I then sorted by highest price first. And here you will see there are a lot of 110 dolls for $1,200. My lot had 15 dolls. So just scrolling down through the list. Again, here's a 70 doll lot. They priced it at $700. He accepted a best offer. Going further down the list, we have 40 dolls for $300. So combined, I had a lot of about 30. So looking at these, 29 dolls, $265. A lot of 24 for $300. Again, I split mine up into 2 different lots of 15. But as you can see, any lot of Monster High dolls goes for quite a bit of money. So I would definitely check your children's toys. My daughter used to play with Monster High dolls, and I'm not real sure what happened to hers, but when I stumbled on these in Goodwill, I knew to look them up because I knew they had to be quite old. I'm not sure if they're still making Monster High dolls. So this was just searching for a lot of Monster High dolls. If I add 15 to this, I'm going to see what comes up because I know each lot had 15 dolls. So again, I searched by sold and used, the highest price first. These 2 that come up at the top are my listings. The one sold for $200 plus 15 shipping, and the other one sold for $184 plus 14. There are other recent solds for $164 plus $13.50 shipping. And then another set sold January 3rd for $132 plus 17 shipping. So definitely keep your eye out for Monster High dolls, clothing, and accessories. Stick around until the end of the video where I will go over the numbers, including my net profit on both sets. But first, how are y'all doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It tells me I should continue building my top 100 eBay BOLO playlist. And now for the numbers. Since both of the Monster High doll sets sold on eBay, I combined the numbers. The sales plus my shipping collected was $413. Fees calculated at 13% were $53.69. My actual shipping charge, $19.19, and my purchase price was $20 on both sets, leaving my net profit before taxes of $320.12. It's worth noting that I did receive multiple eBay messages asking if I would separate the set. I'm sure that some of the dolls were more valuable than others. I did not want to spend that time to determine what each doll was or what its individual value could be. Turning my $10 into close to $200 was good enough for me. Now you may want to invest that time and energy to determine what each individual doll is, or perhaps you may know which ones are more collectible than the others. If so, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know. I would love to learn more about them should I come across them in the future. To summarize, today's What's Sold on eBay BOLO item is Monster High dolls, clothing, and accessories. This is another item in a series of 100 What's Sold on eBay BOLO items that I will share with you in hopes that you can find these items too and flip for a profit online. If you'd like to see more BOLO items that I have recently sold, go ahead and subscribe and like this video to let me know I should add more to the BOLO playlist. The link to the top 100 eBay BOLO playlist is listed here. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.